Hey guys, welcome to an episode with me, the Bassinator. Today I'm at the Black Bass World Championships here at the Vaal River. Had a chat to a couple of the countries that are here. A bunch of great oaks sitting there at the launch. It's going to be an exciting day. We're going to be following some of them, just watching them fish and just enjoy the event. Super well organized event here. So hats off to South Africa for really putting out a top class event.
Hierdie ouens poep net so Suid-Afrikaners.
Morning! We are Team Germany and sitting now after they won in fourth place. And we hope for a good bag today and even tomorrow. And hopefully you guys crossing our fingers for us.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Good luck, dude. Good luck.
And thanks for the nice South African welcome and nice people here in South Africa.
The Euro people check here, the blizzards.
Ah, yeah. Sun blizzard.
Our captain,
I'm
Thomas.
the captain, yes.
Oh, you're the captain.
Hospitality is really awesome here in South Africa. We are here 2017 and it was really the best event I ever fished from this side. It puts the level higher for all the other nations as well, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Very
true.
cool.
Thanks,
Very
man. Thanks. So guys, here with the German team, looks like a good bunch of guys. They seem to be doing alright, having a jaw on the water. Guys, this is Ricky Gonzalez from Mexico, and we've been chatting on Facebook for a while, and so wishing him luck. Hope you have a good one.
We will try to do our best.
Give us a shout, give us a like.
See what happened today.
Yeah, we'll see you guys after weigh-in. Come and see us.
As well as taking a moment to say thank you very much to the organisers and also
Everything is
our
okay.
officials.
Yeah.
Those
You
are
guys,
the
good luck.
officials with a
Thank
big
you, my friend.
orange.
It's going to be a fun day out, just cruising around, chatting to some of these people. Very well organised event. I've got to say, South Africa, hats off. We are proving a point here, and it'd be very nice to show the world what we are capable of. So yeah, keep watching. Catch you guys now. making a quick stop at one of the pubs here on the river. Have a quick bite to eat. Let's see if they're open first of all, and if they're actually making any food.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Hello man, how are you?
How are you?
Good, good. Man, how are you? Lekker. This is such a nice pub. Why haven't we stopped here before, Jean? Yeah, we're always fishing. How cool is this, guys? This is such a cool little pub. On the water. It's like a little sports bar almost. You come here and watch some sports, do some fishing, do some drinking. Watching the American team fish here by the pub. See if they catch anything in front of us.
It's a thing of drop shot works.
Time to put some grub in my tummy. Steak, egg and chips, South African cuisine. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Looks good, eh?
Lekker, hè? Nou,
Yummy.
put them off.
That was yummy, guys. Good food. Don't forget, well, if you're ever down at the river and you guys want to have a little quick pub lunch or a beer, come and see the River Palace pub and restaurant. Very nice little spot. I'm sure you guys would enjoy it.
Was that just a fakie over there?
Sure, guys, that was such an awesome event. I had a blast here the whole day, just cruising around with Jean, checking out some of the anglers. We spoke to a few different countries. So far from the bit of weigh-in that we did see, South Africa doing well with some big bags. I think Germany also got a good bag today. If I'm not mistaken, I think Korea got a decent bag. But yeah, some good fish came out today. And hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage. And yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.
It's caught in the crossfire.